Guys, we are at Five and Below. Let's go Five and Below first. We've been talking about going to Five and Below, and there's one here. Now let's go. $7. I thought it was Five and Below. It's like Dollar Tree. $1.25 tree. Oh, they have mozzarella sticks?
Can we get mozzarella sticks?
Small, medium, large.
Medium.
What else do you today?
Yeah.
That's it.
Medium or
Wait, I want a drink.
Oh, actually, can I get one soda? Sorry.
Size and flavor?
Medium Coke.
Hi guys, we are back from picking up the cat. Just want to show you guys a quick haul. I got a harness for it because I do want to walk the cat, you know, somewhere. And then I also got a leash for it. This is the bed I already showed you guys. And then this bed I got today because I thought this one was like kind of whack. So maybe I'll go on top of that, extra cushion. I don't know, but I'm excited. The cat is here. Hi, Toby. Hi, Toby. I'm gonna name it Toby. And then before I let him out, I just prepared his bowl right here with the food and the water. And then we also have his little pooping area here. So hopefully that's good enough. I'm gonna let him out now. And I'm kind of scared. Hopefully it's fine, but let's see.